So how do you resize the split screen on the Android phone? Let me explain it and talk about it, but if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So in a couple of my earlier videos, I mentioned that on the Android, as long as you have the developer options enabled, so inside of the main settings app at the bottom fully, you can notice I have the developer option. So if you don't have that, go to the About Phone, software information, and tap the build number 7 times to enable the developer options. And then in here, you can enable the split screen mode. So you just go through the toggles. There are too many of them, but we essentially want to find the one which is for forcing the apps to be resizable. So let me just show it to you quickly once I do find it. So as you can see, the toggle to force activities to be resizable, as well as enable freeform windows. As long as these two are enabled, we will have the ability to make the phone use split screen. So you can see that if I open up the Play Store, for example, then go to the multitasking panel, tap the icon right there. So just tap it like so. I can choose it to be in the split screen view, and I'm going to pick another app at the bottom. And now I have the split screen where I have one application at the top, namely the Play Store, and one at the bottom, which is the Photos app. And in order to resize it, I can just see that there is a little handle in the middle, which I can grab like this and make it take different shape and size. So I can give more space to the app at the top and keep it smaller with the app at the bottom. I can also resize it like this. I can make it really small, right? But not like entirely, because then it will just disappear and make one app full screen and the other one will be closed. But that's definitely something you can do, and that's how you can resize it. So yeah, that's how you can do this. You can, of course, replace it as well. So very useful stuff. That's how it works, but only with the developer options. As you can notice, it doesn't quite work on every single phone. Like on the large phones and like foldable devices, it is there built in, but on these devices, we have to take this route. So let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.